back to another Ryan Michelle video. Today's video is a little bit different. We are decorating my porch for spring/summer. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. First, we're gonna do a really good deep clean, pressure wash, everything. And then we're gonna hop into the decorating. The haul was over on my vlog channel, so if you missed that, I'll leave that link down below. But first, let's hop into today's sponsor. Thank you so much, SimPure, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now that we are approaching those hot summer months, knowing that we are intaking safe, clean, and pure water is essential. This portion of the video is in collaboration with SimPure. They sent me their Y9A Countertop Osmosis water filter. It eliminates germs and ensures clean water. It has an enhanced filtration with mineralization, which enhances the taste of water while promoting better hydration and supporting bone and heart health. So many hidden dangers of tap water in which I had no idea, and quite frankly, plastic water bottles aren't the safest either. So we have to flush the tank at least 3 to 5 times the first time, so let's do that. The water tank is on the side, making water replacement simple and easy. This water filter has 6 stages of an advanced purification. It removes harmful contaminants, viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, and more. I love that this requires zero installation. Once you flush the system, you are ready to enjoy safe, clean, and pure drinking water. It is perfect for your kitchen, your bedroom, and even your office. It has like this really simple and modern sleek design. It's not too harsh on the eyes. And then the tray is magnetic, keeping it attached to the water filter. I will be sharing my full experience of my first sip from this filter. This is my first time trying the water, and it's very good. Really good, y'all. Really good. If you would like to hydrate your body without harmful chemicals, click the link down below in my description box. All right, y'all, so let's hop into the cleaning and decorating. And you may notice something different. I did cut my hair, so we are rocking the TWA. Still trying to get used to it, but I can tell you one thing. My neck feels so much lighter and it's so much easier to maintain. But like I said, let's hop into the video. Y'all, this was so satisfying to watch. I've never seen it done before. Like, and look at this. It was a bird's nest in there, and y'all, it was even a dead bird in there. Of course, I didn't bring y'all along while Travis emptied that out because I couldn't bear to look at that. I have a bird phobia. I told y'all that before, but I don't deal with birds. The back patio was so bad, y'all. The pollen was absolutely outrageous. Unfortunately, we're just cleaning the patio today. We're not decorating back here. It's just not together yet to decorate it. So, yeah, but I do have some satisfying cleaning that we're about to do on the patio. So, I hope you guys are enjoying the motivation. I hope that it's motivating you to get up and tackle some outdoor cleaning. Whether if you have a front porch, a back porch. Y'all know in Germany, I didn't have much to work with there. So it feels good to finally have an outdoor space that I love.
I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Y'all, I've never worked a pressure washer before. So this was my first time, and I will say it is a lot of work. So shout out to my husband, because baby, there is no way I could have done all of that by myself, because I was already sweating with the little 2 minutes that I did do. Yeah, no, not for me. I did a haul over on my blog channel, and if you aren't subscribed, I will leave it linked down below. But it's kind of hard to link everything because some stuff was given to me by my sister, and I'm not sure where she got a lot of this stuff from. But the pillows are from TJ Maxx online. That was from, I think, Marshall's or TJ Maxx in store. And then the stuff that's hanging on the side of the house is from Hobby Lobby. And the wreath is from, where is the wreath from? TJ Maxx, I think. And these lanterns, I got those when I was in Germany. I also got these black lanterns from Dollar Tree, probably around the fall time, and they have survived, so it was well worth. I want to say they were $3. The small ones were $3 and the large ones were $5, and the mat is from Walmart. So unfortunately the nail did not work, and I had to go to the store and get those hanging hooks from, I think, Dollar General. They sell them anywhere, but those have been working just fine. Alright y'all, we are near the end of today's video. I hope that this spring front porch refresh inspired you to decorate your front porch. And you do not have to go all out. You can get something as simple as a wreath and a doormat. But I know decorating always makes my heart full, and it just makes me feel good knowing that my space is clean and nicely decorated. Don't forget to check out SimPure. I will leave all of their information down below. And again, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I will see you all back on the next one.
First time I laid eyes upon you, big smile and my thighs, I caught you. There's a pile, let me put